Rory, how has the demographic of the buyer changed? What are they buying? And how are the headwinds for the UK market impacting the medium to longer term outlook?
It's been really interesting looking at the changing buyer profile. If you look at Prime London, for example, at the moment, 70% of our buyers over 10 million are from overseas. Between 10 and 20, for example, 40% of the buyers are British, 17% are from the Middle East, and 17% from Russia. If you go over 20 million, between 20 and 30, 22% of our buyers are from the US, strong currency play, and 22% from Europe. European buyers being particularly interested in family houses. Over 30 million, 31% of our buyers are from the US, and 17% from China. So strong international presence across the board in both apartments and houses. In terms of what they're buying, we've seen new demand coming through for lateral apartments, particularly lateral apartments in new build schemes with a full suite of services such as swimming pools and concierge and parking. On the other end of the spectrum, low build family houses in core family markets like Chelsea and Notting Hill, with proximity to good schools, good private schools, good parks, and possibly with a big garden out the back. In terms of the headwinds, the market's been held back by noticeable headwinds in the last few years. The peak of the market was 2014. Since then, we've had an increase in stamp duty taxes, so property taxes. We've had political uncertainty with the obvious Brexit. That's held back buyers. Sentiment has been down. We are seeing some of those fears subsiding in the market. So if the peak from a volume perspective in London was 2014, we think the low point may be 2018. So we see some buyers seeing this as a buy opportunity, spotting real value in the market. Chelsea, for example, is down 20% from the peak, and we expect it to be one of the best performing markets in 2019. So we see a real opportunity for the well-advised buyer.
Thank you.